Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you are new, please subscribe below. Just click subscribe and also click the little bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So yesterday I picked up a new eyeshadow palette. I wanted to play around with it, see what it was all about, and it's from Natasha Denona. So this is the palette right here. It is called the Tropic palette. And if you guys don't know, I am an island girl. So when I heard Tropic, I'm like, where? So I wanted to try this color out because it did have some beautiful colors in here. And I love that these colors were not the typical like tropical colors. It's more like soothing tropical, like laying on a hammock, just swinging back and forth on the beach, walking in the sand. Island vibes, so I like that about this palette. I did use it on my eyelids, so if you want to see me applying the shades, just keep watching the video. But as far as the palette goes, I guess I'll tell you guys about the palette, my thoughts on the palette and stuff like that. So it retails for $100. So it's, it's pretty steep, but each eyeshadow single is under $10. Which, it's not like super out there where, MAC shadows used to be like $11, I feel like. So it's not like too crazy, but it's just insane when you think about it being an eyeshadow palette. I guess it just kind of throws us off every time we hear the price because we're like, this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to swatch them so you guys can see on my arm what they look like. I liked working with the matte shades. I did use 2 of the matte shades. Well, 3 actually. I used these 2 and then this one right here. The matte shades are super easy to work with. The blue is super pigmented, as you can see on my lid. Now, the only problems I did have with this palette were with the shimmer shades. The consistency of the shimmer shades are a little bit, I don't know. It's not my favorite formula, I guess. Like, it's not as easy to work with as I would like. Once you rub off the top layer, it's just not as easy to work with certain brushes. I feel like it's better with your finger. It swatches really nice. Yeah, it looks really beautiful on my finger swatched, and right here it looks really nice. But when I tried to apply with the brush, it was just giving me some problems, and I was not trying to have no problems. So as you will see in the tutorial, I did go ahead and cover my entire lid with the Laguna shade because I was just not having it. By the way, this palette is pretty heavy, you guys. It's like a little MacBook Air, MacBook Air Mini. How you doing? You can do your makeup, and if your man starts bothering you, you just throw that at him like, I'm just kidding, don't do it. I do love the matte shades. They blend out so easily. There is fallout, obviously, because with pigment, you do get fallout. That's just what happens, I guess, with eyeshadows. But you can control fallout with your application technique, and it will help you if you just kind of press things in instead of just immediately going ahead and blending. It does help with fallout. So that's basically what you want to do. So I'm going to play around with them some more and see, what I think, what happens. And yeah, if you guys do want to see how I got the eye look, then just keep watching. Alright, so we're going to get started with the tutorial. So I don't really know what color I want to focus on. I don't know. Somehow Laguna is kind of calling my name though. So I'm going to focus on Laguna. That's going to be my focus color. And I'm going to like play around with whatever's going to get me there. So I'm going to just use some basic colors in my crease area, and then I'm going to use Laguna on my lid, and I might use a little bit of Mint Frost. So let's try that out and see what happens. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Let me know if you are going to pick up this palette in the comment section below, and let me know your thoughts on like the palette in general. And I'll see you guys in my next video.